Achieving financial freedom is a goal for many people. It generally means having enough savings, investments, and cash on hand to afford the lifestyle we want for ourselves and for our families, and a growing nest egg that will allow us to retire or pursue the career that we want without being driven by earning a certain amount each year. Unfortunately, too many of us fail to achieve it. We are burdened with increasing debt, financial emergencies, profligate spending, and other issues that thwart us from reaching our goals. And we encounter unexpected events such as this pandemic that overturn our plans and reveal holes in the safety nets we tried to weave for ourselves and our families. So, here's the 7 point formula that you can use to help accumulate wealth, become happier, and finally achieve financial freedom in the years ahead. Number 1. Set life goals. What is financial freedom to you? A general desire for it is too vague a goal, so get specific about it. Write down how much you should have in your bank account, what's the cost of lifestyle that you desire for, and at what age all this should be achieved according to you. The more specific your goals, the higher the likelihood of achieving them. Next, what you have to do is count backward to your current age and establish financial mileposts at regular intervals. Write it all down neatly and put the goal sheet at the very beginning of your financial binder. Number 2. Cut your spendings. You have to really ask yourself whether that daily drink at the local coffee shop is necessary or whether or not you actually need the phone released last week. It might be time to take a step back and lower your standards of living by being happy living at a level that you can afford very comfortably. Financial freedom does not come without its cost. It is important to sacrifice a little bit now so that you can achieve your financial goals and a higher standard of living with more suitable means. Number 3. Pay off credit cards in full. Credit cards and similar high interest consumer loans are toxic to wealth building. Make it a point to pay off the full balance each month. Student loans, mortgages, and similar loans typically have much lower interest rates. Paying them off is not an emergency. Paying on time is and will build a good credit rating. Number 4. The principle of concentration. Concentrate single mindedly every hour of every day is the most valuable use of your time. The principle of concentration is absolutely essential to achieve that financial freedom. Virtually everything you do in terms of goal setting and financial planning is aimed at enabling you to determine the one or two things that you should concentrate on more than anything else. Your ability to develop the habit of concentration will do more to ensure your personal finance success than perhaps any other skill or habit you can acquire. The things you should focus the most on and spend the most time doing should be in direct alignment with your financial goals. Spend your time focused on what will make you the most money. Number 5. Live below your means. Mastering a frugal lifestyle by having a mindset of living life to the fullest with less is not so hard. Indeed, many wealthy individuals developed a habit of living below their means before rising to an affluence. This is not a challenge to adopt a minimalist lifestyle or a call to action to head to the dumpster with things you have hoarded over the years. Making small adjustments by distinguishing between the things you need and the things you don't need is a financially helpful habit to put into practice. Number 6. Get a financial advisor. Once you have gotten to a point where you have amassed a decent amount of wealth, be it liquid investment or tangible assets that are not as readily available to convert into cash. Get a financial advisor to educate you and help you in making wise decisions that will help you in a long term. Number 7. Take care of your health. The principle of proper maintenance also applies to the body. Invest in good health with regular visits to doctors and dentists and follow health advice about any problems that you encounter. Many problems can be helped or even prevented with lifestyle changes such as more exercise and a healthier diet. Some companies have limited sick days, making it a notable loss of income once those days are used up. Obesity and ailments make insurance premiums skyrocket, and poor health may force earlier retirement with a lower monthly income. Setting yourself up for financial success is a hard and tedious task. It takes commitment, discipline, savvy, and sacrifice. It means curbing your desire to have immediate satisfaction in order to achieve stability later on. This is a very difficult thing to unlearn, but not impossible. Just as financial freedom is not impossible. Watch this video again and again to properly understand these 7 points of achieving financial freedom. So if you found this video informative, then make sure to press the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you can receive notifications for our upcoming videos on money saving and investing. Thank you very much.